Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Figma designs using AI. First, understand that AI tools are transforming the design landscape, offering powerful capabilities to streamline your workflow. They can automate many tedious tasks, allowing you to focus on more creative aspects. Imagine generating complex layouts or design systems in mere moments, freeing up hours of manual work. This integration not only boosts efficiency, but also opens up new avenues for innovative design solutions, making your process smoother and more enjoyable. Several excellent AI plugins are available to enhance your Figma experience. Anima, for instance, can transform your static designs into live, responsive code, bridging the gap between design and development. Magician, a powerful tool, helps you generate text, icons, and even images right inside Figma, sparking creativity. Builder. EO's plugin takes your designs and converts them into production-ready React code, saving countless hours. These tools are designed to make your design process more efficient and intelligent. Integrating AI into your Figma workflow is straightforward. Begin by navigating to the Figma Community tab and installing your preferred AI plugin. Once installed, select a design element or an entire frame within your canvas. Then, activate the plugin and utilize its specific features, whether it's generating text, suggesting layouts, or converting designs to code. Always remember to review and refine the AI-generated output, ensuring it perfectly aligns with your design goals and brand guidelines. To maximize the benefits of AI in Figma, focus on using it for automating repetitive tasks, which allows you to dedicate more time to strategic design decisions. Crucially, always maintain human oversight. AI is a powerful assistant, not a replacement for your creative judgment. Experiment with various tools to discover which ones best complement your unique workflow. The future holds exciting possibilities, with AI becoming even more integrated and intuitive, further empowering designers to create exceptional experiences.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.